This is the most powerful strategy and concept in SMC trading today. I'm going to be sharing with you my insights and what I am calling price delivery dynamics. And to make sure you actually pay attention and really believe in this like I do, I made sure to record my trading on Thursday morning because I believe the proof is in the pudding. Can you trade with a strategy live? That's what matters in the moment. Can a person make money with it? And you'll see I do. I'm going to go short right now. I'm going to show you guys what's up. I think price is going to go down to the next blue zone. And then this area right here is what I call a redelivery zone. It is an area price that is going to be redelivered to, meaning it's going to go back to it. It's going to fill it in because it was unfair delivery in the first place. This is how I'm operating in my trading from now on. I really don't look at any other concepts because this is the all-in-one strategy that really covers all bases, especially if you're a short-term scalper like I am. Price is going to go to that black line. That will be my guess, and then we'll see if it goes through it or it bounces there. Here, now it's displacing downward. Okay, it went right through that black line. Beautiful. So now it's probably likely to do a short-term bounce here, pull up, retrace, and then slam down a little bit farther into this line here. Why does the market constantly go up and down on every single time frame? Because it's rebalancing. I guarantee it goes to half back of that candle that I have outlined in blue. I guarantee it. Watch it happen. Because it's just what it does over and over and over again. See, I have the candle, top of the candle line there. If it closes above there, I will get out. If not, I will stay in and let my thesis play out. This is how I double, sometimes triple my profit. This part of the video, I'm just going to be proving to you that this shit works. In the second half, I'm going to show you how it works. I guarantee price is going to hit the 50%. I guaranteed it. Now it is about to happen here any second. See that? One more big push down and that will be a wrap. I'll probably exit if it takes out, I don't know, that candle's high. Maybe not even that far. Just show some strength here. Does it close? Respecting, yeah, it did. So there we go. Boom. Called it. I call it all day long. You guys see it if you're in my live streams. And this is how I'm doing it using this method. All day, every day. I'm going to go ahead and go long, and then I'm going to see if it will reach this trend line, and if it does, then I'll exit, and then I'm going to take a break because it's almost New York opening, give my brain some time to get ready for that, and so I come back fresh and clear, and we'll get back into it. It's going to be a little bit for me, but it'll be like a few seconds for you guys, so yep, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and exit right there. All right, here we're at New York opening. I'm going to show you guys what's up. I'm going to show you how good this strategy is. I think price is going to go down to that blue area here. I'm going to go long right now. Boom. There, now I'm long. Where do I think price is going? I think it's going all the way back up to the top of the range. It's going to fill in that inefficiency to the fucking tick. Bet. Watch. All right, let's get it on. Now, I am going to be looking for a couple areas before that. That's going to be one of them. Boom. It's going to be a massive fucking trade. 150 ticks. Watch. That is the second one there. That black line will also be an area too, but I think it's going to blow where I pass through these areas, but I just like to double check and make sure. As you guys can see, this strategy it's straight fire, guys. You've been told it's liquidity. It's not, y'all. It's inefficiencies and imbalances in price that are the draw. You've been told wrong. I'm not saying ICT's wrong. He's probably hiding it from you. That's the difference here. All right, so we're ripping up. Blew past all my areas. Now there's only that area to go. I'm gonna get ready to exit here. I think it might not go all the way up to there, but that little spot right there, if it touches that, rejects. Yeah. All right, I'm out. You can't fucking make this shit up. Like, I'm trading live. It is what it is, guys. All right, I'll get in to teach you how to fucking do this. Let's fucking go. I have the best discounts for trusted trader funding in the game. If you go to my website, verifiedfundingcompanies.com, take you to my homepage here, click right here, take you to the discount page. I update this every single day. There's a new discount. For me to be able to teach this to you guys, I need to break down imbalances and inefficiencies in a way that you guys can understand what they are and how they work. So before we jump into the charts, I'm going to break these down to you in some slides. How to identify inefficiencies and imbalances in price. You have to understand this. Yes, there is some ICT components to it. It might not be the way ICT teaches it. It might not be the way ICT views price. I'm only saying this because I hate when I'm teaching something that's not specifically ICT and people in the comments, well, that's not the way he did it, but I don't care. This is the way I'm doing it. Let's get that straight right now. Inefficiencies. What does it actually mean? It's the lack of ability to do something or produce something without wasting materials, time, or energy. That's the actual definition of the word. What does it mean to me in price? It's an area of price that is void of either buying or selling. And you see from this picture here, you had a move down. You can see that it's not an imbalance, right? It's not fair value gaps, although there is a fair value gap in here or two, but it's just an area that is void of buying. It is not a fair value gap. It is not a 3-candle pattern, but rather a defect in price delivery. The inefficiencies you want to pay attention to should stand out. They should be noticeable compared to the rest of the price action. It stands out, just like this pencil stands out. It's the only thing I can find that would be a good way of representing, see how that stands out. That's how inefficiencies should be. Something you commonly see is what I call one-time framing in inefficiencies. The previous candle's high will not be violated by the next candle, and so on. Imbalances, meaning in price action, is a small section of a price leg that had an imbalance of either buying or selling. Something to understand is that imbalances and inefficiencies can occur at the same time in the same area of price because they are and can be one and the same, but there's a distinct difference between them. I challenge you to stop looking for fair value gaps and start looking for inefficiencies and imbalance in price. I know there are some popular guys showing you fair value gaps, but you got to realize, what time frame are they showing you them on? It's really high time frames, like the weekly chart. Usually it's a daily or weekly chart. They're not willing to show you the concepts they're teaching on lower time frames because they just don't work. You would be able to see in the price action multiple examples in a small fraction of price of where it's not working, as they say. Meaning in price action, a small section of price that had an imbalance of either buying or selling. The next part of the video, I am teaching you while I'm trading. I think that's the best way to teach somebody, and then I think that's the best way to learn something. With that being said, though, give or take, it's not going to be as edited. It's not going to be as perfect. If you watch this video all the way through, take notes, pull up the charts, do the charts with me, the transformation that is going to take place in your understanding of price is going to be insane. I guarantee this is what will lead you to profitability. Okay, guys, this is my third time recording this, fourth now actually, and my fifth day of working on it. I'm having trouble putting all the pieces together in a way that's easy to understand. So hopefully I get it right this time. First off, we're going to go over what price delivery dynamics theory is. That way you understand the concept as a whole. We're going to classify each component to this framework. Price delivery dynamics theory states that price must be delivered in an efficient manner for both buyers and sellers to have an opportunity to participate in the market. If price was not delivered efficiently, it must be redelivered to the last area they had a chance to participate. If I was you, I would go ahead and pause this and screenshot this and save each different one we go over. The first component to it is what we're going to call redelivery zones, RDZ. You've probably seen those on my charts. It signifies an area where price rapidly move through without allowing ample opportunity for both participation from one side or both sides of the market. The second and third component are going to be last buying and then last selling. LB for last buying, LS for last selling. Definition: These zones refer to as the last place where buyers or sellers bought or sold before the unfair delivery started. They serve as a precursor to the redelivery zones. They flag where the imbalance originated, signaling the potential for price to move quickly without balanced participation. And I'm going to go ahead and screenshot them. I suggest you do the same. I don't want to write these out again. It took me quite a long time to get it into a written word. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot that. It's important you save these and follow along with me and be a participant and not just a viewer. Now, let's define each of these. Let's go find an example of redeliver zone. And you're going to want to screenshot that as well. And it doesn't matter. You can choose any time frame you like. It takes place on all time frames. I like the 3-minute time frame personally. Price had just dropped down in like a bearish trend. You have one time framing taking place. This is a aggressive, fast price action. See, there's no opportunity for buying to take place. There's just not an opportunity for it, especially there. That's way too fast. That's unfair delivery of price. Now we can draw out the zone from the low of that candle to wherever the last buying has taken place. We mark it out as a redelivery zone. What should be expected to happen is price to retrace back up to the last point of buying because it was a down move. We're looking for where's the last place buyers had a chance to buy. And it'd be right here. This can either be a doji or a green candle. We have our redeliver zone, unfair price movement marked out. When price moves back up, and if it comes back into this area and it wants to continue downward, it will not break this candle. As you can see there, beautiful, right? There you go. Let's go ahead and screenshot this. And then right next to it, we have another example. It's pretty fast. So we'll go ahead and mark this one off as a redelivery zone here. And as you can see here, you had a beautiful touch to the 50% line. And price moves back up for a really nice scalp here. That's about as perfect example as you can get here. Go ahead and screenshot that one too. It's really simple, right? The redelivery zones are going to be acting as magnets for price, right? They're going to cause price to come back and redeliver because they have to. They don't have a choice. The market makers are required. It's their job to provide liquidity to the market. If there's areas of price where liquidity was not provided because price moved too fast, they have to, I don't know, flip on the algorithm to get it to get down there. I'm not sure how they exactly manipulate price to get it to do this, but I know that this is manipulation that's taking place. And it's too precise. It happens all the time. It's just what price is doing constantly. This is why you see price move up and down, up and down, up and down, up, and it's just why is price doing this on all time frames every second of the market. They have to redeliver it. There's a lot of edge there. If the market's still bearish, like in this example, it's going to come down here. It's going to redeliver price probably up to here, I'd imagine, or here, and it's going to continue in its original direction. Let's see. Boom. This will be your last area of buying. You're probably like, well, there wasn't unfair price delivery there. Not on the 3-minute, but if you drop down to 30-second, there was here. So that's why price needs to be redelivered. And then probably even make one more push up into there maybe. See this, guys? It's no joke. So last buying. That's it. That's the resistance point right there. See how you can drop down, fine tune it even more to reduce risk. I think the best way to learn, as I talked about earlier, is in the live market. I didn't explain it well enough when I was actually in the live market for you guys to have a complete understanding. I go through the nuances of it and the tips and tricks, but I didn't go over like the actual definitions. Hopefully this gives you guys a better understanding. Was this move down so fast, so aggressive that one side of the market could not participate in the price? Yeah. So what did it do? It redelivered it and then went lower. So was this move here moving so fast, so aggressive that one side could not participate? Yeah. Have you guys ever had your stop orders or your limit orders just get ran through when the market moves really fast? That's what we're looking for here, that kind of fast price action. From here to here, was too fast and moved up too fast. Then what's price going to do? It's going to come up and then you get to move down. Boom. And where does it go to? So here is your last place buyers had an opportunity before this moved down. Right here is the last opportunity before this moved down. So then price comes through, redelivers to here, and then goes lower. And then now it breaks this one. That means automatically it's going to go to this one. It's going to reverse right here. It's probably just coming back to here. Then you could see a aggressive move down to here, because from here to here, there was no selling that took place. We're going to see price be redelivered. If price was not delivered fairly, it must be redelivered. Must be and will be. Here is your unfair delivery of price. So then price must what? Hopefully you guys are getting now. Must be redelivered to the sellers that did not have a chance to sell in this area. And this is just the natural ebb and flow of the market. It's what it's doing 24/7, every second, every moment of the market. There is no time when the market is not doing this, except for one time when it's making the big moves up that create these. Even right now, unfair delivery, last place buyers had a chance to buy, redeliver price, it goes lower. That's how trend lines are formed. That's why trend lines work. In some occasions, but not all of them. Redelivery down, redelivery down. Filled that all in. Now rally up, unfair price action. This is how I'm able to call the market so well. It makes it really easy, guys, because if you understand how the market's actually functioning, how it's actually working, you can take your trading to a whole nother level. All right, I'm going to buy one of these back as it comes into my area. Buy another one back. What other explanation could you come up with for this, right? You could say that it's going for the liquidity below this low, but there's actually another area. This is where I think price will bounce too. Let's see when it gets down here if it bounces. I actually can't make any more money in this account. I'm over the limit by $100. Come back up $60. But you see what's happening here, right? That's where price is going. It's going to drop one more time, most likely. But first it's trying to redeliver. So it could go higher here, but it might not at the same time. So now let's see if it bounces there. You can't make this up. It's too precise. Price showing us that it's go higher here. You see that? See? I think this will be the low of day here. See that? So we had a big drop down here, right? Very fast, very big drop down. It needs to be redelivered too. So then you see how once it's been redelivered to it, it's likely to reverse back down. So I'll give it 1 second to prove itself. I'm going to go ahead and exit there. Now we should see price go back up into this area and fill it in. This is a breakaway fair value gap. The first one got filled. It's a higher high. I was just watching a video of this dude. Someone told me, oh, it's such a great video. Check it out. And he totally is just so off base on breakaway fair value gaps. It's not even funny. Just so off base. We'll see who's the better trader in the end. I bet I am. See, there we go. See, price has to redeliver, guys. It's just a matter of finding when and how it's going to deliver it. So there were 70 ticks times 4 contracts. I'm going to take one more off there. I'll leave a runner to see if it's going to come up to here. So this is a good example. So what's up with this, guys? What is this? It's not a fair value gap, right? So if it is going to keep going up, why would it do that? So this is your last point of buying that took place on the right side of the curve. I'm going to go ahead and go long into this because I already know it's going up here. And now I'm long for contracts. So this area here to here is void of buying, right? We outline those. We highlight this. And now we wait for price to go there. Then we're going to sell into strength as it goes our way. So that's all you're doing. That's it. That's it. No, there's nothing more, nothing less. Simply finding them, highlighting them as price is moving towards them. You figure out how to get involved in that trade. You guys no joke see the power of this, right? It is the best strategy for getting funded. That's for damn sure. I've been absolutely crushing these funding companies with this strategy. Speaking of funding, I have the best discounts for trusted trader funding in the game. If you go to my website, verifiedfundingcompanies.com, take you to my homepage here, click right here, take you to the discount page. I update this every single day. There's a new discount. Yeah, Bullnox has a 94% off 250K accounts, 75% off of all other accounts. Apex 71% off. Take Profit Trader 50% off. Took them 2 hours as a new record on Friday to give me my payout. Requested it at 1:30 p.m. and then I got it by 3:45 p.m. Just a little bit over 2 hours. Definitely the best payout structure in the game. I know you guys can do this if you're willing to try to learn this strategy. You're going to struggle with it a little bit first, but watch this video a couple times, take notes while you do it, and screenshot the setups I highlight. Because you can see here, look at this big move down. Big move down, right? Where does it go back to? It's so obvious. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Look at that. That's how I'm able to predict the market at such a high win rate. Doing exactly this. You don't need to worry about anything else, just this. So if you guys put in the work, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I guarantee that. Just stop following all the guys out there. They don't have any idea what's actually going on in price. This is the way price moves. This is the reason it moves. This is how it books. It does not move around for liquidity. It moves around to fill inefficiencies. Price delivery dynamics is the market movement algorithm, in my opinion. Straight up, I think if it's not delivered fairly, I think that's when the algorithm clicks on. And look at this up move. Look at this up move. This is just like straight buying. This is market order above the price, buying, pushing price up. Every time it drops back, they're buying more. And then boom. What's it do from there? It starts going down just like it should, because objective completed. All right, I have been getting a lot of people saying they're not getting the live stream notifications. I have met with the YouTube people. They have went through my channel. They have double checked that I do have the settings correct. You guys have to double check. All right, you can also set up email notifications. You need to make sure that you go to my YouTube page here. You need to make sure that you have the notifications on. See how I get my Chrome notifications here? Even if you have your Chrome notifications off, you will not get it even on your cell phone. So you see how I have subscribed all on? You need to have that on. And then go to your settings and go to notifications. See this right here, this is probably what's causing you guys not to get it. You have to go to desktop notifications, turn that on, and then make sure you have all these on, especially members only. That's the one you're really going to want to have on. Then email notifications, you guys should turn that on too. So then there's no reason you guys should miss a notification, because I understand like it sucks you guys aren't getting them, but you gotta come back in here and do this. If you're interested and you're not a member of my YouTube, there's that dude's video I was talking about, the one there. He's just straight up wrong in this video in every single possible way. So head to my YouTube channel, or you can hit up the link in the description, and you're going to want to hit the join button right here. It'll be right here if you're not joined. It's only $3.99 a month. I do insane amount of live streams, 6 a week. So 3 a week are live trading for about an hour and a half, and then about 45 minutes of analysis on the days that I don't do live trading. So for $3.99 a month, you guys are getting a crazy deal. I won't be doing this forever. It's honestly wearing me out, and probably wrapping it up here pretty quick, maybe in a couple months from now. Appreciate you guys, the ones that have joined the membership and stuck with me through my struggles in the beginning when I struggled trading on live. Now that I'm doing well, you guys are getting the benefit of that, and I appreciate you guys sticking around.